How to set up your remote access key in WHM. This demo assumes you've already logged in to WebHost Manager. Now let's learn how to set up a remote access key. A remote access key is what's needed if you want to have a script automatically connect to your WHM for the purpose of creating new accounts, deleting the accounts, etc. Click the Remote Access Key option in the Clusters section. The remote access key is a random series of alphanumeric characters. If you copy this key and paste it into a script that's designed to connect to WHM, you'll be able to have that script perform tasks that you would normally have to log into WHM to do. You may need to reset your remote access key when setting up a new script. Click the Generate New Key button. That's it. The remote access key has been reset, and it shows here at left. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up your remote access key and where to go to retrieve it for use in scripts that connect to WHM.